Guys, you want to make sure you're in the airflow. All right. Alright guys, I made up these little straps utilizing some webbing and some magnets and just some super glue. And what I've got is my Return Air probe, humidity stick there, hooked up. And I'm dead center of my filter grill rack here. And that's all we have is just one simple return. But I told y'all like in a video before, and I like to show it again, you need to make sure your sensor is in the line of airflow. And this is a return. So we have airflow coming in this way. So my sensor is right here. Take a peek, guys. What do you think about this aftermarket door on this tip star? Ain't that something? All right, guys, we're getting ready to test the voltage and amp draw on our temp star here, and I'm utilizing my new fill piece again. And what I have it wrapped around my hot wire coming in, and to get my amps. And I went ahead and I clamped to a ground here. And what I want to do is measure across the bottom here and get my voltage. So we're going to go like so, and I've got 121 volts, 16 amps. Let's go ahead to the other side here, and we've got another 121 volts, 16 amps. I'm going to go ahead and call that 17 amps. 17 amps and 122 volts. 17 amps. All right, guys, I'm setting up my own profile here with my brothers, and that old temp star, she's ancient. I'm venturing to say it's a 6-8 SEER AC 22.6. It's got R22 air conditioning, fixed orifice. I'm not going to mess with benchmark. Condenser type, 6-8 SEER. And I'm using the standard operation. We're going to go to measurements. And I'm going to go ahead and get my electrical measurements. Let me get these entered in. I'll get right back with it. All right, guys, I think we're looking pretty daggone good here, man, for some mismatched equipment. Now, this is an ancient temp star, and we're hooked up to a rud in there, a ring. And as you can see, my liquid lines are nothing's right on this. We're just trying to get him through one more summer here, guys. And it looks like my target superheat now is 6.1. We're running at 2.4, 2.5. Now, we're allowed a plus or minus 5 on a fixed system here. So basically, guys, I'm not going to really go monkeying with it. We're pretty much on our hash marks with the suction side of things, and I think he's going to be okay. Let's go ahead and just rifle through here real quick. Basically, it's showing 1.25 tons. Like I said, this thing is ancient and it's mismatched big time. We're looking at 15,239 BTUH. Our split is 14.6. Our EER, after entering in our electrical measurements, our amp and our voltage measurements, at 3.62. All right, guys, our low pressure is 61.7. Our suction line temperature is 37. Our outdoor ambient is 83. Our superheat is 2.5. Guys, like I said, I think we're pretty good on this. I'm not going to go really monkeying with it big time. There's no point in it. But yeah, it's saying our target superheat is 5 now, and we're at 2.6. All right, guys. I'm hoping y'all are enjoying these. I know daggone well I am. I love this thing. All right, guys. We got another one coming for you real soon. All right, guys. We got little brother hooked up to see another summer, I hope. And I reckon we're gonna head on back to the house. All right, guys.